Right, so let's go through this third equation. So we are asked to solve the equation of 3x plus square root 2 minus 3x equal to 0. Right? So the very first step is actually to get rid of the square root. But of course, how do I actually get rid? You simply just move this to the right hand side first. So meaning that you will eventually get something like this, right? So 3x equal to negative square root 2 minus 3x. Then of course, you want to get rid of square root, you need to square both sides. So square both sides like that. Okay, so of course the left hand side become 9x squared, the right hand side become no more negative. So means you'll only get the 2 minus 3x. Then after that, move everything to the left hand side, 9x squared plus 3x, right? Minus 2 equal to 0. So you can see you actually form something like a quadratic polynomial, right? Then with this, you just do the factorization. So for this, I will maybe put 3x here, 3x here, then this will be 2 and 1. So since I actually want 3x in the middle, so I simply just put minus here. So you do the cross, so this will give you 6x plus negative 3x, right? So this will be about 3x. Okay, so I factorize correctly already. So means that I will actually get 3x plus 2 bracket 3x minus 1 equal to 0. So I solve for x. So I'll get two values definitely. So the very first value will be x equal to minus 2 third. Second value will be x equal to 1 third. Okay, but of course for this, right, we need to double check whether we can accept both the answer. So I go back to the original equation here. So we are asked to square root the whole thing. So meaning that this inside, right, must be positive. So let's see whether the very first value will cause the inside of the square root to be positive. So square root 2 minus 3 bracket minus 2 third, right? So this will be positive because it's square root 2 plus 2. Positive, so no issue. So what about this thing? Okay, this thing I also need to double check. Square root 2 minus 3, right? And times 1 third. Okay, so I double check. 2 minus 3, yep, correct. Okay, so of course square root 2 minus 1. So this is also okay because it's also positive. So both are acceptable. So the answer will be negative 2 third and 1 third.